do. Right, wicked. Right. Where is it? Copyright free. Oh, there. Oh, right. What up, squad? Let me just move this over here. What up, guys? What up? How you all doing? How you all doing? Morning, Mr. Whistler. Morning, morning. Wow, looks like GJ's coming down over here. Nice. So let me just get this all sorted over here. And we can see. Morning, everyone. Though. Oh wow, is that music too loud? Yes. Nice. Alright, what up, guys? We're going to be doing all of this good stuff. 1 second, let me get my Zoom. Telegram over here. Beautiful, learning session, wicked. Right. So, wow, looks like Gigi's coming a bit of volume over here. So, in the space of a couple minutes, rejected them highs and started to come down over here, which is going to be interesting. So, let's see. See, Instagram and stuff was down last night. Holy shit, it was weird. It was madness. Right, let's get this up and running then. So, we are live now on YouTube. Make sure to come and join the squad and see what we can get on GJ today. So this is good. You can see that we had Asian, very rangy, which is good. It normally means that London is pretty good. So let's just do a fresh analysis. We'll start this up. Make sure to like the stream, guys, if you're new over here. Zoom's filling up nicely as well. Morning, guys. Just got a nice buy on GA, even when our flipped secured 12 pips running. Nice. That's very good. So let's take a look at GJ over here. So GJ is bullish right now. Right about here, it is bullish. The 4 hour at this time is bearish. So contradicting time frames over here, which is not the best. So when we know that the high time frames are contradicting, it's a bit annoying. We only like them to correlate. So yeah, beautiful. So obviously high time frames are a bit contradicting, so it's a bit harder. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Well, you can clearly see here that we have resistance right about this zone over here. So 151 150 level. I'll be looking for some buys. That'd be pretty good. Like this. Let's take this to white. I'll be looking for buys above, because that'll be also flipping the 4 hour. So perfect. Buys above 15107. Oh no, sorry, 150 area. Yeah, beautiful. That's what I'm looking for. And now we're just been waiting for that. Very easy, very simple. Keep it easy, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you guys are new here. Let's get this bitch running. How was yesterday's trade? Wow, yesterday for GJ was chalked for me. Very hard. Look at this price action. So you know, I need to wait until we get some good kind of confirmation where we're going over here. Looks like we were just retracing and now we're starting to come up, so that's interesting. I'm going to take a look at the news over here, just in case, because news, you know, try to stay away from it. It's best to stay away from it. So let's take a look over here. Yeah, nothing much. Something at 9:30. Final surface PMI, but that's not too bad. So we should be alright for that. Very, very easy. So hopefully that's not too bad. Morning, Stephen. Morning, morning. Morning, everyone. So 8 minutes left. I mean, if you get this closure over here, ooh, look at that. So yeah, I'll be waiting for this 30 minutes to close. If we do close above, that could be quite interesting. So a lot of volume at the moment, quite spontaneous volume as well. So like, look, we already see the low, we're coming back up now. So we need to be careful. Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, so hourly has came all the way down. So it's a bit spontaneous, a bit wild. So not too bad though. Let's take a look at gold over here. Might be an early. Aren't you worried about 152.250? Let's take a look over here. 250 here. I'm not worried about it, because if we get into a trade there, that's going to be 10 pips towards that, and stop loss will be at break even. So that's not. I'm not scared at all really for that. I just have my stop loss to break even when we get to this zone, which is completely fine. So no, it doesn't really scare me at all, really. Gold, let's take a look over here. So it looks like gold came up over here. Wow. That was on the 30th. We were traced right about the times where we want to trade with gold at NY. We actually came up over here. So daily is bearish. Is it just making the lower wick to then continue? Probably. 4 hour is also bearish, but where is it closing this 4 hour? It's closing right on resistance area, so it could act as a support now, which is pretty good. So let's take a look over here. This is the 4 hour flip. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, pretty good over here. So I'm gonna be waiting. So look at this. Oh my god, look at this for Asian. Holy shit. That just glided down. Holy shit, that's mad. What time is it over here? 7:24. Wow, 24 people in the chat. Amazing, guys. Morning, guys. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe and yeah, turn them bells on for me. So for me, I think it's going to be looking good for buys above 1769.48, right about this area. Buys above, I think that'll be pretty decent. And I think sells, well, let's have a look over here. To be fair, we are right at support at this time. So there is a little support at this time right here. So potentially closes below here could be actually quite nice to then continue. The daily's bearish, 4 hours bearish, so yeah, it could be pretty good over here. But we'll have to wait until we get the closure below, because at the moment we've got 15-minute candles over here. Closing bullish. Is there any news on later on for USD? No, not too bad. Not too bad. Wow, amazing, guys. 31 people, everyone's coming in now. Let's get it. Right, GBP AUD. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Ooh, okay. So, daily. Bullish. So you can see, just get used to doing this every single day. Very, very easy. So just kind of get your biases over here. 4 hour is bullish, but what does it not have? It doesn't have a bottom wick. So what's the probability it's going to make one? It's got 2 hours and 34 minutes left. Quite high. Quite high. Do you think buys above 1761 instead? Like here? No. Because the daily will still be bearish over here. I want to have the daily and the 4 hour to be bullish for buys, I think. Preferably. GBP AUD looks like it's actually closing above this resistance. So if you looked at the resistance, oh, GBP AUD, this is one that Ming took. Nice. So if you go to the left, this is resistance. Let's take a look on the lower time frames over here. Yeah, so I mean, that 30-minute closing above could have been the option. that 15-minute as well here. But it did run off straight away, didn't make a lower wick, so may have missed that. But if you had the stop loss below here anyway, it's 11 pips for a 20 pip gain. That ain't too bad. That is not too bad at all. So I'm gonna be waiting on GG over here. Hopefully we can get a closure above. Yo, what up, bro? What up, man? What up to the squad? It's quiet this morning. Everyone needs to come in, man. Filter in, man. So yeah, I mean, look at this hourly. Yeah, I think in 32 minutes time that's going to give us a bit more options. But let's just see if this 30-minute candle closes above. Let's just see. Let's just see. And then we can decide if we can get in or not. But this volume over here. Look at the 50-minute time frame. Look at this. Wow. Mad. So let's take a look at Telegram. See if anyone's put anything. So Tom Bailey is looking for buys above 151 kind of area, 250 area, I think that is, to continue up. There's a nice 25 pip zone. Yeah, looks pretty good over here. Came all the way down, tapped the zone again on support. Now we're coming back up. It's in a bit of consolidation, but yeah, as long as we do start to create some bullish movements, it should be pretty decent over here. That'll be pretty nice. So yeah, we'll see if we can do that. So 2 minutes left. This candle looks like it's going to be closing a bit bearish for the 30-minute and bullish for the 15. So nothing really I can do at the moment, to be honest with you. But that's okay. That's all good. So yeah, we're going to be waiting patiently over here. And yeah, we'll see. Wow, chat's quite quiet today, guys. Where is everyone? Come say hi. I'm gonna look at Discord as well. Oh, there's new features. New features, man. So that was the 4th. Holy shit. The 5th as well. Hello, Oliver. Hello, CH. Beautiful. Yeah, there's some nice sells on gold yesterday. Yeah, there's nice sells at 8 o'clock on gold. That was pretty fire. Yo, we back. No stream today. Live it will be posted in the live tab. There's no live tab. Yes sir, we in now. Is this GJ again? Beautiful. Nice. So if you guys do want to send some charts, make sure to put them in this one over here. I look at all of them, so make sure to send them in. Okay, beautiful. So GJ, potential buys above 560. Yeah, that makes sense. Cleaner zones here. You'd rather wait until you get a closure above this 260 area. I'm happy with getting at 150 because I'll have my stop loss to break even by then. But yeah, and then very clean 26 pips. This is the same kind of analysis as Tom Bailey over here. So circling like the traffic, the range. This is what it could do. We just need to wait for a break above, and it should be pretty good over here. Beautiful, beautiful. So we'll see. This candle just closed over here. It hasn't closed above for me, so there is no potential yet. It's a bit quiet. Look at the traffic. So I'm glad the 30-minute closed bullish there, though. But yeah, I have to wait a bit longer. 70 likes, guys. Let's make sure you get the likes up here. Let's get to 30 likes before 8 o'clock, man. Let's smash that like button. We are here every single weekday. We do this all day, every day. So GBP AUD doing pretty good over here. Getting an entry for me, it wouldn't have worked though because the 4 hour hasn't made a bottom wick. So I can't take that trade because we know it's gonna likely make a bottom wick in this time. So you can't really get in. Look at this volume, man. What the fuck is going on? Holy smokes. Holy smokes. I just won the closure above, boy. I'm about to get my melon and then hit the bed. I think G just got some good potential. I like how the 4 hours doing. It is coming towards a very big zone though, not zone, resistance zone on the 4 hour. So you can see here, here. So we need to be careful at this time. That's what we need to be careful for sure. But it should be okay to continue with momentum for London. Should be nice as long as we get that closure above. Will look pretty solid. Bro, are you into Forza Horizon? Nah, I've never bought them gains. I don't know why, but I don't know why I haven't bought them. I think I'd enjoy it as well. I might do, to be honest. Forza Horizon, yeah. Look, apparently it's got some good reviews and stuff. Pretty sick, man. Wow, it's been very just waiting for this low wick to form. So like, look at all these wicks over here. As long as we're not closing below the zone, we're just tapping in, and we should potentially get this closure above, and the next one to just should be pretty nice. Hopefully we can get it, man. And if not, then hey ho, what can you do? Just patiently wait. But there's no rush to get into a trade. You just have to wait. You know what you're wanting to find. So if it comes, that's great. If it doesn't, then you just leave it. So we'll see. But look, it's flipping consistently. It's like it's a bit scary. We just need to relax over here. Needs to chill. But we should try and get the steering wheel and shifters. It'll be crazy. Yeah, I've actually got some downstairs. My dad's got a proper rig, and he said he can give me his old one, so that'd be pretty sick. His one actually gave me an arm workout. I just did it before last night. It was fucking hard. It was rough. So 4 hours still bullish over here. Not too bad. I need to move this 4 hour flip to there. And hopefully we should be alright. We're alright. So 37 people. Amazing, guys. 21 likes. If you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe as well. The liking helps me get in the ranks of the YouTube streams, and we can get it done, man. So make sure to do that. So yeah, GBP AUD coming up, not too bad. But as I said before, you couldn't really get in because the 4 hour has made no bottom wick, man. So what can you do? So gold had a big move through Asian. So normally if there's a big move through Asian, normally London relaxes, I've seen. So taking into account, I may just leave gold. Normally if gold is ranging through Asian, normally there's good momentum for the for London. So if you take a look over here, this was Asian, and then this is London. So yeah, it was kind of ranging over here, didn't move that much. Look how much it's moved here, quite a lot. Morning Zeki, morning everyone. Where's even that one? Yeah, it is. Let's see over here. No more charts there. No more charts. We're very quiet today, guys. Very quiet. People just check the charts, but like, nah, wait for GJ to pop out, man. I still think there's good potential over here. Decent. 9 minutes time, getting this closure, hopefully. So 9 minutes time. I mean, if you do get this closure above, that could be quite interesting. And then the low formed, and then the exceeding, that could be quite nice. Morning, mate. I was going to send you my chart, but we have the same markup, lol. That's good though. That's what you want to have. You want to have the same setup as everyone else. Makes it a lot easier to get used to doing the same analysis as everyone else. But that's what I used to do. Like, that's what I used to do with Rajo, and then I realized like my setup's exactly the same, so I don't have to look at this anymore. Because I just studied them so many times. Yeah, so sells. I mean, sells are gonna be when the daily flips. It's gonna be. There's quite a lot of traffic towards here as well, so sells are gonna be quite hard for me today, I think. And especially if this 4-hour candle closes above here. In 2 hours time, we're definitely continuing up. We've got a nice wick to fill as well, so that's pretty good. Wait for the 30 minutes to close above. The previous 30-minute close so bad. Yeah, that's very, very true.
Good morning, guys. Good morning.
Morning, morning. Welcome, welcome. Morning, squad. In the Zoom, amazing. So, most currency pairs are choked this week. Yeah, well, the price action yesterday wasn't the best on GJ. We tried to take a buy. Where was it? It took fucking ages to get there. Oh my god. This is through NY. So let's have a look over here where it was. Yeah, so we were trying to take a buy on the flipping of this, because this is flipping the hourly. It tapped my entry and then just went nope. Came all the way down, then made support, closed above, and then there you go. But that was later on in the session, so that was at 2:45, 2:30. I normally finish then, so I was happy to miss that trade. That's what you do, you know. If it's not in your session, you just leave. You just leave the session. But you try and find what time is optimal. Like, I look at. No. So the webinar that I posted in the chat yesterday goes through this. No, it's not this one. Fuck off. Goes through this bit. 1 second. Yeah, this. So market hours. So look, you need to find what's optimal. Where's the volume? Where's the openings? And this is a good diagram. Very, very good. But yeah, I won't go through that because that was the webinar for the boys. So let's see over here. 6 minutes time. Hopefully we can get this closure above. Nice. I think GA gave a breakout of the zone. Yeah, I think it did. But the only issue I say with GA is the 4-hour does not have a bottom wick. You see? Right here, the 4-hour doesn't have a bottom wick. So, and it's got 2 hours left of the candle. What's the probability it's going to make a bottom wick? You know, probably quite highly probable. So, taking that is quite rough. So 6 minutes time. Come on, get the closure above, boy. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Let's try and get it to 50 likes before 8 o'clock. Smash that like button. It helps me out. In the meantime, I'm going to put my socks on because this room's fucking cold. It's freezing, man. It's too cold, bro. So 5 minutes time. Doesn't look like we're going to get the closure. So we're going to have to wait until the hourly to close. And that's completely fine, you know. I'm looking at the price action there. You know, I'm not like thrilled by it, so that's good. Doesn't matter. Just wait until you get the proper good closure above, strong candles, and the trades are a lot easier. That's what you gotta do. Yeah, so left is quite clean to this side. That's good because we've got the closure above here. Just 5 minutes left to get the closure. Bro, you should change the broker on TradingView. Charts bad wick. Try FOREX one. Nah, I think I'm gonna stay in a Wanda now. Everyone likes me. Everyone told me off for using FXCM, so I'm like, oh, bro, just give me a Wanda then. So we'll see if we can get this closure over here. If it runs off like that, that's nice. But for me, I'm not getting into anything yet. I need the closure confirmation we're leaving that zone. Over here. Could be a potential to wait for the hourly, but we'll have to see. Because the 30-minute hasn't closed above. Look how many times it's rejected on the 30-minute. But then also the 50-minute hasn't closed above either. So we'll have to see over here. 51 people, amazing guys. Thank you very much for joining in the squad. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe as well. You get notifications on. Helps me out. So 4 minutes time. If you do get the closure over here, could be quite interessante. But if we don't, then I'm gonna have to wait for the 30-minute. Yeah, I have to wait for the 30-minute over here. So the good thing is if you get in there, then I can get a nice 6-pip stop. Oh my god, why is it so? It's actually ranging, but on quite a low pip count. That's quite good. But we'll have to see if we do actually get this closure or not, because if not, then I'm just going to be waiting. For the hourly, let's take a look at gold. So let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah, so closures below could be nice, because you know, if we do something similar like we did before over here, it'd be quite cool. But as I said, we've already moved quite a lot from Asian. We've already moved 100 pips from Asian. So knowing that, it's probably not the best to get a trade. The previous 4-hour close below resistance with a long wick rejection to the top really worries me. The previous 4-hour closed below resistance with long wick rejection to the top, really. It wasn't that long. But I see what you mean. I see what you mean. But still, it's just making support over here. Yeah, it hasn't closed above. It will give us more confirmation later on if we do get it. But yeah, I do know what you mean. So I think for me, it's coming towards the end of the hourly. If people listened to the webinar yesterday, you'll hear me say stuff about this. So, you know, coming towards the end of the hourly now, 17 minutes left. Is it just best for me to wait for the closure on the hourly? Probably. We'll see if you get the closure. Oh snap! It feels very, very like aggressive, spontaneous, like it's moving up and down like quite a lot. Like look at that. Ooh. If this doesn't close above, oh my god. If you guys haven't sent shots, make sure to tell me if they're in Discord as well. I'll take a look at them. That's like a big mic over here. Buys above 151 at 150, beautiful. Into a nice 25 pip zone over here. Little resistance at that time at 250. Risky sells below 800. Yeah, but it's not risky really because the daily's bearish. But safer ones will be below. Yeah, yeah, I agree with that. Safer ones will be 156.42 for sure. They'll be quite easy. So 300 people, sorry, are nearly in this now. Make sure to click this button if you haven't already, because still like 700 people, not 700, 70 people have not. So make sure to do that. Click that button. I can see people already here. Atashi, Ben McLeod, Fortnite, Gary Miller. I am handy. They won't be able to see anything basically. Useless. So we're getting the closure. Nice. With a 7 pip stop. What? We here, brother. Nice. Yeah, make sure to click that thing in Discord then, so you can see it all. Let's take a look at Luco's chart over here. So this is GBP USD. Nice. Oh, I'll take a look at GBP USD for you. So the daily FIP is all the way there. So you can see that the 4 hours bullish and the daily is bearish from this picture. Sells below above 4 hour dailies will be bearish. 11 pip range, which may be small. Yeah, 11 pip, 12 pip range is quite small range, for sure, but could be good potential. Yeah, if you get a closure below. For sure. But yeah, 11 pips is quite a small range over here, so that could be quite a pain in the ass. So we did get the closure now, which is pretty decent. So if you do get the bottom wick over here, exceeding. If this exceeds straight away, that's completely fine. If we do come up to these highs, I may have to wait until there then. But yeah, getting the hourly in the 30 minutes is going to be really good confirmation at this time. But I mean, if this does make a nice low wick in the first 5 minutes and then starts to run off, I may just take that, because it could be a very, very good option over here. But if it runs off straight away, then that's fine. If it comes back and like fannies about here, I'm probably just going to wait until the 15 to 30 minute close. And if it just runs off here, that's nice. But for me, I can't get in that trade really. So let's just get this over here. Nice. 151,200. Yeah. Oh wow, the stops is literally the same as yesterday. I was trying to get into a trade. Oh shit. Wow, we're flying. Oh my god, look at this momentum. Nice. Okay, so probably gonna be looking for buys above here now. 264. That's completely fine, reasonable, nice. Same play like last week. Yeah, man, beautiful. I mean, if you could get in there on the open, that'd be pretty good because you could have the lower wick here, but you would have the probability of maybe getting faked out. So you'd hit nearly 10 pips over here, which is quite good. See if you get that. But yeah, it's going to be buys above 264 over here, right about this level. Stop loss is going to be all the way down over here. Could be pretty good. It's actually the same as my trade I was doing yesterday, which is mad. Literally the same TPs, TP1, TP2, TP3. Mad. Literally, because I was trying to buy here. So the signal is exactly the same, man. So yeah, I'm just going to wait until we get a closure over here in 12 minutes time. That'll be good for me, I think. Because we'll get the confirmation we're closing. Ooh, needs to close probably above this zone as well for the hourly. But yeah, we'll get us some good things. Getting in too early there could be quite spontaneous and a bit emotional, so I wouldn't get into a trade at that point. So 4 hour on the GPAED still hasn't made a low wick yet. The candles are putting a bit like this, bit shitty. Totally, yo, welcome. Morning. I think Antonio is going to be coming today sometime as well, so that'll be pretty good. Wow, looks like we're blasting off at this time. Damn, we have to hold on. Oh no, the volume. Well, that's good volume on GJ, to be honest. Pretty good. So if you do get into trades above here, I mean, we have clean candles to the highs over here, which is 26 pips, which is pretty decent. I did a snap entry and I'm up 11 pips, but another buy is loading with cleaner traffic. Yep. Yeah, very true. Beautiful. So you got in this trade on the closure, maybe on the closure. Thank you very much, Jamil, for a subscriber to the channel. Amazing. Make sure to like the stream, guys, before 8 o'clock. Let's get it up over here. Let's try and get some 50 likes before 8 o'clock. 68 viewers, amazing. So yeah, I mean, if you do get the closure, I kind of want it above this zone over here. We really need closures. Let me fix this. 2-7 zone. Nice. Close above range was a good sign for us to tap 250. Yeah, agreed. For sure. And I mean, the stop was quite good as well, to be honest. 7-8 pip stop. Pretty decent. And yeah, you know, if you're holding on this trade and stuff, for example, you should have your stop loss to break even right now, and you should also, you know, be knowing that maybe this hourly is going to close and it needs to make a bottom wick. Is your trade going to stay on long enough? Probably not. That's fine. You just have to learn the probabilities. So like here, like 10 minutes time, it's going to make a lower wick, definitely, because most hourlies do. So it'll do like this, come down, that to come again. So you have to wait for the hourly low to form. Let's take a look at gold over here. Yeah, I mean, if it closes in 10 minutes time, it's pretty good over here. Doing the exact same things what it did yesterday. Pretty decent. But what I said was Asian has been moved out a lot already, so normally one of the sessions is a bit chalked in the day. So let's take a look over here. 9 minutes left. Let's go. Let's get them likes up, guys. Gold making resistance divergence on 5-minute chart. Resistance divergence, that's a big word. Yeah, the 5-minute looks pretty good over here. 9 minutes time. Closure for the hourly. Hourly makes a top wick and then flipping could be an option, to be honest. Could be an option. Thank you very much, Phallic, for subscribing. Amazing. Thank you very much. 70 people in the chat. Amazing, guys. Make sure to smash that like button if you have learned anything yet. If not, don't smash it. So yeah, I mean, gold closer below is going to be quite good. The 4-hour and the daily are both bearish as hell. The only issue is the last daily was quite bullish. Is it just making the lower wick? We do not know. So 8 minutes time, closure above. That's what I'm wanting. And yeah, nothing really much. Let's take a look and see if this news came out as well. French industrial production 1%. That's quite good. They expected 0.4, and they got 1%. So if we go to Euro JPY, let's see if that moved that. So that's nearly just double. That's 2.5 times as much as what they wanted, or what they predicted. So when did this news come out? 7:45. Oh shit. So 7:45 here. It's this kind of right now. Looks like it's pushing off. Getting past resistance over here. Wow, looks like GJ's running. Holy shit! The Wolf of Wall Street never gets old for me. Always cracks me up. Yeah, man. I did like that. That gift's sick. I don't know where I got it from, but I was like, mate, that's sick. Thank you, Trading Langat, for subscribing as well. Damn, we're getting some subscribers in this bitch. Amazing. We're here every single morning, guys. So yeah, don't worry. We're here every single morning. Last week was a great week. It was a bad start yesterday, to be honest. Very, very choppy on GJ, but hopefully now it looks pretty clean. Especially if you get this hourly close in 7 minutes time for me, that'll be pretty nice. So even here, getting in on the closure, yeah, 10 pip stop, not too bad. They heard it's Magic Keys month. Mate, we had some amazing giveaway this week. This month. It was sick. 4 Magic Keys, I think it was. That's mad. Let's make this money, yes sir. So 6 minutes time is getting this closure over here. Nice. Pretty decent. Let's try and hit 50 likes before 8 o'clock, guys. Make sure you bash that like button. 6 minutes left. Amazing. Let's see. I'm hoping we get a closure above over here. Come on, I'm praying. Get the closure above, you pussy. Oh, look at that rejection over here. Needs the closure. So, you know, the reason why we want the closure is because, you know, here we rejected it before as well. It kind of shows that it's a very, very big zone where there could be resistance there. If you get the closure above, that kind of gives us more confirmation that we're going to be continuing up. Obviously on the hourly as well, continuing up, because you can see there is blatant hourly resistance right here. So we kind of do need to close above to then continue, make the lower wick of the next, and then to continue up. Hopefully. Wow, 76 views in this bitch. Amazing. Oh, I've got super chat now. What the fuck is this? Oh, sick. You can send me money. That's mad. Well, if I do a good trade today, you guys send me some money. So 5 minutes left. Let's see if you get the closure. Might not. We'll have to see. 48 likes. Amazing, guys. Let's take a look at Discord. Wow, we're filling up over here. You're gonna hit 300 members. That's fire. So if you guys are new to the stream, make sure to come and put charts of the stream on here. If you go on up on the chat on YouTube, you'll see the Nightbot putting in my Instagram and also my Discord. So just make sure to join that. It's free, so make sure to join it, man. So 5 minutes left of this candle. Looks like we're rejecting them highs over here. Not the best. Wow. So, you know, people getting in at the start over here, you know, you have to take your profits before the hourly, because you don't know what the hourly is going to bring. But let's take a look over here. 4 minutes left. Can still do quite a lot in that time, so that's not too bad. Euro was good on GU and USD CAD. I'll take a look at GBP USD. I think a lot of people wanted me to look at that, so I will do that. So try and mark up the charts. If you've already done that, that's great, and see if it's the same analysis as mine. So let's take a look over here. Daily time frame. Daily time frame. There we go. Nice. Pretty decent. Let's look at the 4 hour over here. Closing. It's a bit bullish. So the higher time frames are against each other. So that kind of shows it's a bit shit, a bit risky. Let's make a sick stop loss matters hoodie, but really crush the design, bro. That'd be sick. I'd fucking rate that. A stop loss matters hoodie. That'd be sick. Yeah, I don't want to make it like proper good quality. If I can rate that, that'd be sick. So for me, I mean, I want to. I'll work on something nice. Yeah, make it like clean and nice. Like, don't make it too much shit on there. Just make it pretty fire. That'd be sick. So your buys above 1.36150 will be pretty decent for me, to be honest. That'll look really nice because that'll be when the daily is now flipped bullish. Closures above 1.36160. Nice. And if we do start coming over here, you've got clean candles to the left. We should continue and fill up the zone over here, which is 20 pips. That's nice. So wow, look at GJ over here. Let's take a look at GJ now. Currently on a GU buy, but it's slow. Yeah. What price did you get in? If you got into like buys over here, you should have your stop loss to break even now. I wouldn't be holding it anymore. Let's take a look at GJ. Oh, this is why waiting for candles to close is so important, guys. Look at that rejection, man. So that's not the best. That's not the best over here. We wanted this candle to close above, and it looks like we tapped it and kind of rejected. Look at this 15-minute. So it ran, you know, a nice 12 pips, but it looks like it's closing a bit weak, bullish, which suggests what does this show? Someone tell me in Zoom or YouTube, what does this show? Someone in Zoom, tell me. Dude, if it closes like this. Big rejection. Yep, exactly. Big rejection to the upside, resistance forming, strong level, all that kind of stuff. So you need to be careful. Big selling pressure. Yep. It's not. I don't think it's even big selling pressure. Try not to think about like the sellers and buyers. Trying to think if just prices came up to a zone and it was like, nope. No, it doesn't like that price at the moment. If it really was, if it was comfortable up there, it would close above nicely. Bears in control. Yeah, try not to think about like, oh, the seller's in, so just go. The price doesn't like it at that zone. You know, yeah, it's probably because, you know, the buyers and sellers are communicating with all their transactions, but really it is just price doesn't like that zone. It feels a bit wary there, so that's why I need a strong confirmation. So a minute's time left. Come on. Let's take a look over here. Difference between potential wick fill and rejection zone. Yeah, well that is a wick zone. Sorry, that is a rejection zone, and a wick fills are ones like this. These are wick fills. So you can, the rejections before, but later on, if you start coming up to them, they're good times to get out of a trade with the wick fills, because that's where I went before. Sell GJ, lol. No selling GJ. You never sell GJ. Pump and dump. I'm gonna get myself a fucking little blanket, mate. I'm freezing. It's fucking freezing, mate. Wow, 74 people, amazing, guys. Make sure to smash that look. Let's try and get 50 likes before 4 seconds time. People smash that like button if you guys are new here as well. Make sure to subscribe. I think we're on like quite a lot of subscribers now. Ooh, look at that. So what am I going to say? We didn't get a closure above, therefore there is no confirmation for buys, and we're starting to melt over here. Let's take a look at gold for a sec. So it kind of did get the closure over here. Nice. Pretty decent. Now 4 hour back to the range. Yeah, man. GJ looks a bit chalked. Look at the 15-minute. Oh, mate. That looks like a good option. Look at the hourly. Tasty. Needs a bit more of a top wick from me, I think. So if I got in on the open over here, wait for the little top wick. Yeah, it's okay. 14 pip stop. Really not too bad, especially for gold. It's doing what it's doing similar here as well. Thank you very much, Learn to Earn. Ooh, Learn to Earn? Bro, learn to earn is my mentorship, man. Thank you for subscribing. Let's take a look over here. How many people are we on now? Oh my god, we've hit fucking 1,060. So from that 60, we've got another 60 people. That's fucking mad, that. Holy shit. Still waiting for the fucking revenue to come on this bitch. It won't be a lot, but it'll be funny. Be interesting. So yeah, look, didn't get a closure above, so you know I'm just chilling. GBP AUD asking about. Yeah, for me, no. They still got a 4 hour. 4 hour doesn't have a bottom wick, so I can't take that trade. That's just discipline levels. Looks good for a buy though, because look, we've got closures above here and here. Very, very nice. But why most of the people trade in GBP JPY? Because GBP JPY is a good pair to trade, because when we trade it in this session, it's towards the end of Asian, so Asian doesn't really affect it. Also through NY, Asian doesn't affect it. It's just focusing on one place, which is GBP, which is the pound. It's also got a lot more volume. So if you look over here, like look at these moves over here. So like from, I don't know, like from like here to here is 100 pips, and they're full pips. If you go on GBP AUD over here, they're half lots, I'm pretty sure. So like here to here is 84 pips, was actually only 42. So it's not even, you know, it's nowhere near how much volume GJ brings. And it's just clean, like when it wants to move, it moves nicely. I mean at the moment it's a bit chalked, but anyway. Look at that, so it's just pulled down over here. Now it's starting to come back up. But yeah, I'm still looking for closures above 270, 151, 270, 265, that kind of area would be pretty good. Oh wow, beautiful. So this time now I'd have my stop loss to break even over here. About 165 pips, 155 pips, not 155, 15 pips, pretty decent. So the runners over here could be pretty nice. There's a lot of traffic here, but you know these are clean candles over here. Clean candles. Wow, 51 likes, amazing guys. Let's smash that like button if you guys haven't already. Thing with gold is previous daily closed strong bullish. Also previous 1 hour candle looks so bad. What? They look alright. Could be just a bottom wick forming on gold. Looks pretty good though. Closure below. Alright, this time to continue. Didn't make much of a top wick, but I think those sells are quite a good option. Look at the 30 minutes to fill that wick up. But yeah, I mean, I can see how people wouldn't really like that, because look, this 30-minute candle here, the body was quite, it did close below, but the wick was quite big wick, normally suggests rejection. And I mean, it still can be, so it can make the low wick here and then flip back up. But that would have been your trade there. For me, I wanted a bit more of a top wick to reject this zone and then to flip. That would have been pretty decent for me. So GBP USD over here, if someone's in a buy in GBP USD, I advise either maybe hitting your stop loss or break even over here. If you're holding a trade on now for GBP USD, does it look the best for a buy when we're flipping the 4 hour? What can you see if we flip this 4 hour over here? It's not looking the best, is it, for buys? It's gone, made a top wick, hasn't really exceeded the high, then this. Clean candles to the left over here, so it should continue down. Continue down. So for me on GBP/USD, oh my god, look at that. I mean, it hasn't had a top wick, which is a bit annoying. But it would be probably closures below, especially with the 4 hour. The daily's on your time frame, isn't it? Yeah, the daily's already bearish. So it's quite good. GBP/USD for some sells maybe. GJ is very, very chalked over here. Not a fan of it at all. And gold ran and filled the wick up over here. Pretty decent. What was I going to do? Oh, yeah. Let's take a look over here. What was the review for it? 59%. brother said he liked it, and he's normally quite a good judge of movies, so. .6. Ah, it's still got quite a shit rating. That's a bit of a shame. It's a bit of a shame. I've seen a lot of people commenting this and they enjoyed it, so I don't really trust the critics anyway. I don't trust them. Beautiful. So tapped the zone and should have taken some off there for sure. Now a little runner could be nice over here. Could make your day. A nice 80 pip runner could be decent. Could be pretty decent. I like how that support on GG. I like how that support forming on GG. Yeah, I like the 30-minute. I think it looks a bit cleaner. The 15-minute is the one I don't really like. But if this candle closes in 7 minutes time above, then yeah, it could be a good option. But at the moment, I'm being very, very cautious at the moment. GJ choppy. Yeah, man, I just see GJ being a little bit choppy over here, especially in the 15. And yesterday I took a loss on GJ just because it was choppy and a bit of a pain in the ass. So I kind of want to chill. You know, identifying the days where price action isn't the best is you know, amazing. And yeah. Over here. GJ playing with everyone's emotions yesterday. Yeah, man. Well, it wasn't that because we took 2 losses, managed risk. I think I lost like 13 pips, so I was very, very happy with that trade to take them. But it was always about managing the risk over here. Yeah, guys, so I've just put the recommended broker in the chat. If you guys are looking for a new broker, IC Markets is your man, I'm telling you. It's bloody gorgeous. And if you use that link over here, I'll give you something for free. So make sure you use that link and sign up. You can't use it in the UK, in the US, but apart from that, you can do it. I lost 10 pips over 2 trades, with decently managed. Yeah, man, that's amazing. That's all you can do. You can just keep the risk management to a T, and it should be good. Ben McLeod 1 to 30 leverage. No, it's not. I mean, it wouldn't matter anyway, but let me just check. I'm pretty sure. Let me check mine. Let's have a look over here. Accounts. Live accounts. No, mine are all 1 to 500. I mean, you wouldn't want them on 1 to 500 anyway, but there is no 1 to... It's not just 1 to 35, I think. It's 1 to 500. They do 1 to 100. They do 1 to 50. It is for Aussies. Oh yeah, because you guys have to do... They changed that, yeah. But Australia's just... The rules are too harsh, man. To be fair, 1 to 50 is all you... 1 to 30 is all you need, to be honest. You're risking 1% or 2% on a trade. But anyway, like people like to over-risk. 55 likes, amazing, guys. We gained a lot of subscribers already in this one. Wow, there's new people joining. I use Blackpool Markets in New Zealand. Yeah, they're good. Why? I don't know why they don't post any videos anymore. They used to post so many videos like on their stories, and now they don't. I was a bit pissed off at that. I spoke to them quite a lot. I used to tag them in like videos and shit. Quite good. Let's take a look over here. Oh, coming back up. Coming back up. Coming back up. Let's see if this 15-minute can close above. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I make a nice low wick and then flip. That'd be pretty good. And if not, then, you know, I'm not too bothered about taking a trade over here because the 30-minute still hasn't closed above this zone. And the fact that it's a bit, you know, price is just moving a bit odd. I can just feel it. It's just a bit jolty. It's a bit weird. So I'm gonna be relaxing over here. So it looks like gold has tapped the zone. Is it gonna continue though? Is it gonna continue? Let's take a look over here. Euro Spanish Services PMI. 8:15. We've still got a lot of time in the candles though. We've got like an hour, so we should be good. Should be goody. And hopefully we can get what we've been looking for. So if it closed right here now, that's quite a good sign. It's looking good over here. Wow. No confirmation, no nice price action, just flying straight away. So for me, I'm not really too asked. The 30-minute probably looked quite nice. Waking the low wick and then flipping over here, but there was no confirmation for me. And look at this momentum. So you know, I'm with GJ today. I can just feel it's just a bit. It's just a bit volatile. It's just a bit of volume, but it's not nice volume. It's not pushing. Like it's just a bit like jolty, and like it'll probably retrace like fucking 7 pips. Not the best over here. So 2 minutes time, we'll see. So now the zone's getting a lot smaller over here. Still 15 pips, so it ain't too bad, to be honest. Not too bad. But yeah, still waiting for this candle. 2 minutes time. 2 minutes time. Looks like so gold has got a little bit of a zone over here. It's kind of respecting. It's not pulling down as much as we'd want to probably. Look at GBP AUD, rejected them highs. Is it gonna make the 4-hour low? This is why you don't take any trades if there's no 4-hour. You need to wait. You need to wait patiently. So that was nice. The 5-minute closing bullish over here, flipping the 30-minute right at that time. So getting that flip could have been a option, to be honest. But there's only, you know, the next resistance is only 6 pips, so it wasn't missed. Right, get this closure, motherfucker. Get this closure, boy. So I can't really get in on the wick. I can't want to get in on the flip. So hopefully we can come down, drive into this zone again, then start flipping up. Hopefully I can get that trade over here. So a minute's time. Let's see. I look at that. Like the volume's just like it's jumping from like fucking. It's jumping like 2 pips every second, mate. It's mad. So it is getting the closure though. Finally. Do 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 do. Don't want it to really be. I want it to kind of close around about this area over here. 310. That'll be pretty decent for me. Wait for the low wick and then boom. So 14 seconds left. Nice on gold. Pretty decent over here. We just don't know how deep this bottom wick can be, even if we get a bottom wick. Yeah, well, I need a nice bottom wick then in that case. If we run off like straight away now, I don't care in the slightest. I want a nice bottom wick, which is going to make me a 10 pip stop loss over here. So finally got the closure above, which is nice. So this just run off straight away. That's completely fine. I'm happy with that. But with the first, 30 seconds of the candle, it's not the way I trade. I like to wait a bit longer for that. But that's completely fine. Seems so laggy. Yeah, I thought that. Like it's just lagging a bit. I look at that. Like it's doing what like gold does. It's just a bit odd. But look, identifying this is quite interesting. So I mean, if we still do get a lower wicket, it's still a good option, and I'm gonna take it. But I'm not gonna get in any of this exceeding the highs now or anything. I'm gonna wait patiently.
When are you gonna go in, bro?
Pardon?
When are you gonna go? Is my mic okay? Can you hear me?
It's a bit mumbled, bro. It's a bit it's very like mumbled, my man. I can still hear you a little bit, but yeah, I'm not getting into this. Hell no. If you got in the high over here, 25 pips stop. Is that really good? No.
Well, I'm in it already, but I'm already about 8 pips up.
Beautiful, beautiful. Do, 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 do. Yeah, I mean the one place we could have got in was on the flip over here, to expect price to then push above. But apart from that, the 15 over here still needs to make the low wick for me. But if it doesn't, that's fine. I'm actually not too bothered about taking a GJ trade this morning, just because of how laggy it is. It's just a bit oof. Already in my first TP hit, 3 more TPs as it runs. Beautiful, well done, well done. So TP2 should be around about this zone over here, 500 level. And obviously look at the 4 hour. If you do get the closure above 500, could it get to 800? Could be pretty good. 12 minutes left of the candle. Does it have enough time to then make the low wick? Probably not. Still continuing over here. Nice. So the first reason why I didn't really like this is because we already exceeded the lower wick already here. The only thing was the 30-minute closing above this zone to make the low wick and then to continue, which is pretty decent. So that's up 20 pips now. Nice. Beautiful. Wow, guys, so it looks like a lot of you took that trade. Got in on the flip, love the streams. Wow, amazing, you got in on here as well. Beautiful, a lot of people took that trade over here. Yeah, I didn't really see it actually, but does make sense over here. Didn't exceed the low of the previous 30, and then it makes the low wick, taps the zone. So I always talk about tapping zones when they're leaving them. So look, tapping zones here. Tapping this zone when it starts to retrace and flip over here. Yeah, that was a good entry over here. The only reason I didn't really like it is because of this, but I should have stopped to break even by then for sure. Wow, beautiful. So definitely taking some off there at 400 level. That is where the body is. That's the next resistance zone as well. And then more at 500 levels. That's like a 15-minute. Yeah, it looks pretty good to continue over here. The structure of the flip clearer to me on the 5-minute. Yeah, the 5-minute looked nice. It closed strong, didn't it? Yeah, here. Oh, rejecting again. Yeah, I'm staying away from GJ, man. Holy shit. I just don't like the way it's moving. Yeah, it's just a bit. It's a bit choppy. It's a bit choppy. If you're in the trade now, Tom, what price did you get in? Oh, Abe, sorry. What price did you get in, bro?
I got in at 301.
301 right here, yeah. That would be probably hit your break even then, did it? Or did you close any? Oh, I hit 10 pips.
Yeah, no, it hit back 9 pips.
Yeah.
But I've got a feeling it's going to go even more. It's just that belief in.
Yeah.
I'm not doing much. I'm only doing like 1 knot, so I've just left it on there.
Yeah, I mean,
the good thing to concentrate on.
Yeah, for sure. That's good, but look at this rejection again. So for me, there was no confirmation this time to get in, and that's why I didn't take this trade over here. I trade the 5 minutes, so my profit hits really fast. Got in on that close of the 5-minute bull candle close at 305. Nice, beautiful. I hope everyone that got into this trade took some profits for sure, and didn't try to be greedy over here. Still got 9 minutes left. If this is just flip and continue, still got percentage chance of working over here. Not too bad, but yeah, for me, the price action in GJ today is not giving me any confidence at all. Wow, look at this. Gold came up, retraced. As you can see, we are kind of making support here now, which is nice. Look at the wicks to the bottom, rejecting them lows. For me, I mean, sells are going to come. I think it still is seller. Like there's still quite a lot of sells. The only issue is it's change of structure. So like, look, we're down over here. Let me get my tools out. High, lows, kind of like this, and like this over here. We've got the break above, so we're changing structure now. So this could be making support, just relaxing over here to then continue to blast up. So like this could be their new tunnel line, like that. Because you have that change of structure. So yeah, gold sells. Don't really trust anymore, to be honest. And if this daily flips in 13 hours, my god, that's gonna be nice. To then continue up, fill these candles, fill that wick maybe. That's like 100 pips. That could be pretty decent over here. So definitely later on, if you start seeing some support, start seeing the daily flipping over here at these highs, that's pretty nice, because the daily flips also where the resistance is. That's pretty decent. GJ no volume. Yeah, GJ had volume, but it's just a bit choppy. Like, I mean, so it's 8 o'clock, right? Let's see how far it's moved. It's moved 28 pips for since 8 o'clock. I mean, that's not bad. It's just it's not like the cleanest moves. Catching GJ on the 5 minute with a higher time frame bias been working lately. That's good then. Would you enter on the flip? No. For me, I'm gonna leave GJ. For this price action, you know, I knew that if, you know, this candle is moving off straight away. It's got 50 minutes left of the candle, whatever. Not 50 minutes left. It's got like 12 minutes left. Is that gonna still continue? It's probably gonna come and retrace a bit. So but if we do start to continue here, then I'm just gonna miss it. I really like this 15 now. I mean, in 7 minutes time, getting the closure above, pretty decent. But yeah, I'm gonna stay away from GJ today. Not today, in this session. And I'll wait for New York. And that's just from experience and just seeing like price kind of like jolting up and down, not going the way you kind of wanted it to. There's no point in taking trade. Even if it's a winner, it's like, oh, that was a bit of a shit winner. I like having a nice winner. GPUSD over here starting to come up and flip the daily. So someone who is in those cold GPUSD cells is very lucky. Holy shit. Let's tap the zone, tap the 4-hour flip, and then just rinse back up. It's going to be flipping the daily candle over here, and it's going to be filling up the previous daily candle. You can see the blatant support right here. To continue up, let's take a look at the zone here. Yeah, so 23 pip zoned for the high. That's not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, look at this rejection, man. So the 5 minute is what you see. So look at this 5 minute. You know, we closed in above, then it was like nope. So taking a trade now for me would be just too risky. I don't like it. I like it when there's nice setups, when, you know, all candles are pointing in my direction, and not when we just pushed off already. I don't really like that. I like doing it with the drive. The only way I could have got in today was here at 8 o'clock. I'm waiting for the low wick to then continue and flip. 58 likes, amazing guys. If you guys have learned something today, make sure to like the stream. Really does help me out a lot. And if you guys are new, make sure to come every single morning, and we're here every single morning doing the same things. But yeah, for me, GJ, I didn't like the way it's moving over here. But look at this, so 30 minutes closing in 5 minutes time, not too bad. But yeah, look at the 5 minute now, so now it's coming up again. Say, oh mate, just give me some kind of confidence that you're doing something. It's just all out, it's just everywhere.
At the smaller time frames, it looks like it's going in an upward trend. That's why I sort of thought a little bit of belief behind it.
Yeah, well, yeah. I mean, you can see the upward trend. I mean, I could see it from down here, like when we closed. But it's getting the perfect entry. Like if you got in, like for example, if you were just a bit later on and you got in here, you would have been taking some drawdown now. I think it's all about, you know, candle closing, all that kind of stuff. I mean, this is flipping now. You know, people could enter here, but for me, it's just not. It's not a valid setup. Look at that as well. 5 minutes closing right on this zone. 332. I don't know how much this is going to push up for me, but it's not anything I really care about. So also look, 4 minutes left of the candle. What do we speak about this in the webinar? 4 minutes left. Does it have enough potential to run up? Probably not. You know, probability wise, it probably doesn't to run the whole way. Gold looks good for buy. It makes higher highs bigger now. 1 second. Yeah, looks good. 4 hours just flipped bullish. But yeah. I mean, if you could try and get in an early entry for gold, that'd be pretty decent. That's why we wait for what we want to see, IMAX, so we get minimal drawdown. Yeah, exactly. The trades I want to get into are the ones that, you know, they don't happen very often. They happen maybe once a day, twice a day, but they have very minimal drawdown if you enter them correctly. And most of our trades in the past 3 weeks have been basically zero drawdown trades, so that's what I like. It's going to retest the high. Yeah, I hope so for people in these trades over here, for sure. But for me, does it have enough time? So, you know, I talked about this in the timing webinar. If you guys haven't watched that, make sure you do. You need to always look, we've got 3 minutes left. Is this candle got enough potential to do this in the next 3 minutes? Probably not. And if you're in this trade now and you're in a buy, you know, it's not looking the best for you. It's not going the way you want to. Good webinar, thank you. Yeah, it's a very, very good webinar. Just it's not a long one. It just really explains it nicely. You a breakout trader? You were just yeah, closing above and below supports. Yeah, so breakout. Yeah, sounds about right. Just support and resistance, all that good stuff. So 3 minutes left. Let's see where this candle closes over here. Some pretty good ranges on GJ potentially for NY. Yeah, very, very true. So if we look above over here, very, very clean. Wow. So yeah, we have resistance here. We also have resistance right at this time. If you do start coming above though, we got some nice zones to fill up to the tops here, and then to continue further on. Nice. So 2 minutes time, getting a bearish closure over here. Still kind of rejecting the zone, not the best. 60 likes, amazing guys. Thank you very much for that. Beautiful. Smashing it, smashing it. Also guys, if you are looking at Magic Keys, make sure to use my code over there. You get some discount off. You get like 10% off. It's pretty decent. 10% off. So if you get like an on-screen version, that's not that much money. It's pretty decent, like 20 quid.
Oh, is it on screen one quite easy? It just comes to you straight away and then you can load it up.
Yeah, just on email, it just comes up. You just load it up and whack it on. It takes you a bit of a fanny on to put it on your chart, but after that, it's not bad. You just have to watch a video, a couple of videos, but yeah.
Well, I've got the physical one.
Yeah.
But it's just sort of wondering because I was trying to explain to my friend yesterday,
Yeah.
saying to him, the on-screen one, I think it's just quite easy. You just download it and you just.
Yeah, it is easy. But if you've got the physical one, then it's just the same thing really. But yeah, the on-screen one I quite like. I just have it near my MT4 and I just keep it there. It's pretty good.
Well, you don't have to charge it, do you?
Yeah, that's true. Oh yeah, you have to charge that one. I forgot about that. I would set a buy stop. Ooh, where would you set a buy stop? Where would you set this buy stop? So looks like someone took a loss here on Instagram. 10 pips don't lie. Tried to take an impulse over here. Entry was so early. Wait for candle to close over here. Traffic to the left, and also wait for the hourly. Yeah, so a lot of people I think got bummed over here, waiting for the breaks, exceeding the high straight away, getting into a trade, and then take some drawdown. But yeah, the timing of the candles is very, very important. Very, very important. So yeah, people in the Telegram, if you guys haven't watched this one yet, that one there, I'd highly recommend watching it. It's good. All the webinars are good actually. Just watch all of them. Make sure to bash them out. Let's have a look at Luke over here. Oh, is there any more? Is this the one I've seen? Oh, that's the one I've seen. So getting a closure over here, nice, but look at that 50-minute, man. I'm not taking any of that bitch. So that where's the price action here? Price action, right? What I like to see is candles like this. Okay, so if I'm looking for buys, I am wanting this to happen. So it's exceeding the highs, it's not exceeding the lows, all this good stuff over here. If you get a candle that looks like this, wait. What does that show? Someone tell me. A doji candle, what does that show? Someone in Zoom, someone in YouTube, anyone. What does this candle show? Ready? Is it going to be J? Let me guess. No, Michael. Beautiful. Indecision. Amazing. Indecision. So it's indecision in the market. It doesn't know where it wants to go. It's not a proper strong confirmation. So indecision. Beautiful. Let's mute that, my boy. So yeah, very, very good. Indecision. So it's not a trend reversal. It's not only these big words. Just indecision. It just doesn't know where it wants to go. And as you can see here, it's melting down now. Don't worry, Michael. It's indecision in the candle. It shows it's kind of like, I don't know where I want to go. I closed bullish, but I tapped this zone, didn't really like it. Tapped this zone, didn't really like it. Don't really know where I want to go over here. And now you can see we're melting down. So 30-minute looks pretty good though. But the 15 over here isn't the best, to be honest with ya. So wow, everyone in the YouTube got that as well. Indecision, beautiful. Indecision in the candles. So you kind of stay away from that. So GBPUSD over here doing really good. 4 hour can flip. 4 hour can flip. Yeah, doesn't really mind anything. Gotta listen to your words on GJ buys. Oh, we attempted to get in. I was like, I don't trust this. I just don't trust these GJ buys. At the moment, no. If this was a normal day, like where price action was nice, then yeah, I would take them buys. But you can kind of see it's just a bit odd. It's a bit off. It's a bit weird. 64 likes, amazing guys. If you learned something from me there, make sure to like that button. Let's try and get to 80 likes if we can. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Wow, we're like averaging like 70 views concurrent all the time. Yeah, it's a bit weird for sure. Jumpy and not clean closures. Yeah, man, it's just a bit odd. But being able to identify those days are the best days, and we can get my Instagram up of that quote. That was a good quote. This one over here. Great traders are able to sit at the desk and wait for the high probability entries for their systems. We don't force trades attempting to force some money out of the market just because we showed up at a desk. Very true. Ever traded crypto, Max, out of interest? No, I haven't actually. I hold crypto, but I've never traded it. So like, look at this setup over here. If this was like a normal day and I was happy and confident with GJ's price action, I'll be in this when we flip over here probably. With stop loss below the lowest made right now. But because of this price action and a bit of no volume, it's a bit shit. Gotta listen to words. No time to die. Yeah, I watched the James Bond film. GJ momentum is overall bullish. The red candles forming now are minor distractions to scare the sheep. They do not phase me. GJ will keep running. I hope so, for your sake. But look, the 30-minute does look clean, to be honest. But the thing is, if I took this trade, I'd be pissed off myself because I'd be like, I don't like the price action. So, you know, identify that you just don't like it, it's fine. Look at the 5-minute. Like, does that look nice to you? Not to me.
Well, I come out. I made a little profit.
Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, did you close at the 9 pips or not, or did you just go out now?
No. I think I closed at. I think I closed at about 6 pips up.
Beautiful. That's not too bad. That's good. That's good. So, GBPJPY, you didn't take this one. Yeah, so that's where we said that would have been probably the best option over here. So, the stop loss was a nice, like 9 pips. Beautiful. So your nice pay for trader though, good 20 pips over here. So what would you have done at this point? Hopefully you would have put your stop loss to break even. So if I got into this trade over here, I would have had my stops to break even at this point and hoping the volume to push it above. I would have closed most of my position at this point as well, where the bodies are. Beautiful, very nice. Yeah, that's exactly what I would have done if I was on the ball enough, but I didn't see it. It flashed between my eyes. I was like, bro. I think I was paying attention to 15. I didn't really like the 15. So it looks like gold is making support over here, which is interessante. Is it going to continue up? Probably. Me too. So me too. I saw it too late and no FOMO. Yeah, exactly. So GBP AUD just chilling over here. 24 minutes left. It's just vibing. Where is your vape today, mate? I am raw. Well, I went out last night, so I was like, bro, I'm not gonna vape anymore, man. Gonna be a good boy. Got my water. Oh, look at this, flipping the high over here, exceeding the highs of the previous. So 30-minute does look nice, but the issue is that the daily is still bearish. But I mean, getting into some buys over here with stop losses below could be a good swing. But it's a 60 pip stop loss, so oof. It's So look at the 4 hour over here. The last one was pretty bearish, but it looks like even though we've exceeded the low, we're starting to turn bullish over here. We're rejecting these lows, starting to come up. If we flip this hourly, mad. Someone says that there's GBP news very, very soon, which is true, I think. Oh no, there's not. It's later on, 9:30. Or is there some other ones? Some other news articles. Yeah, EUGVY. I mean, I don't know why anyone trades that. What the fuck is this garbage? Holy shit. GBPUSD. It looks pretty decent for continued buys. It's just got a little resistance over here, but if it does flip, that'll be pretty decent. Caught that gold buy. Nice. So how would you get in over here? Yeah, it got to 10 pips, nice. Pretty good. Yeah, I mean, it's good. As long as it's making support over here, doesn't come back to these lows, that'd be pretty decent. So continue further on. So 7 minutes time, look at these candles. Got a base in the 5 minute. Ah, nice. Let's take a look at Discord over here. Yeah, Big Mike's still chilling over here. Let's see how many people have done this super rule now. 234 now. Nice. GJ creating wicks on the 5 minute. Great entry for the Brave lol. If Bears had any power, GJ would be down already. Yep. I think try not to overthink about this. Bears are coming into the market. Like just chill. Just look at where price closes and fucking buy when you break highs and sell when you break lows. And close. There's nothing saying that this could easily melt down. It's not like the sell's not in. You know, we still haven't closed on the hourly above this resistance, so you know. And the 4 hour hasn't closed above resistance over here yet. It's got another hour left. If it closes back in this zone, like at 151.110, it's gonna be pretty mad. And it's gonna be rejecting them highs, and people in buys. Unfortunately, that will not go very, very well. So this hourly and this 4 hourly are going to be a decider if it should continue coming up over here. Let's see how Asian was. Yeah, Asian was fucking garbage as well. So pull down, and then at 2 o'clock as usual starts to come back up, and then a bit of rangy crap over here through the end of Asian, and then a little bit of volume, but yeah, it's a bit chalked over here. So look at this 15-minute close in 5 minutes time. Hasn't made a top wick either, so you know that's when you know price action is pretty fucking uselessly shit. People already took those buys. You know, you should be happy with yourself. You've got a break-even trade. That's great. Trying to get in now, it's kind of like over trading a bit. So I'd happily just wait until the next session. So yeah, quite a quiet day to be fair. It's not too bad though. I think throughout the end of the next half of the week should be pretty decent over here. Look at the daily, not the daily, the weekly. The last weekly closed pretty bearish though, which is mad. But the dailies are starting to make some support from these lows, which is pretty decent. Look where he tapped. Exact same zones again, and again. And we traced off every single one of them. So this is a huge level. And if you do get a closure below that level, then that's going to be pretty mad over here. Try it here, wait for the top wick and never came back down. 5 minute candle closed bullish. Yeah, pretty good over here. Nice. Looking pretty good to continue now. Flipping the 30 minute over here. Should continue for sure. But I'm gonna stay out of this. The 15 minute is not molto bene. It's a bit choppy. So let's see then, Christian, if you're gonna be correct over here. So are you getting in? Are you already in now? Are you getting in later on? So 80 minutes left of the candle, perfect time for, you know, the flip and the continuation, so that's good. The only issue is the 50 minute is closing very, very soon, and look at it, it's closing, you know, either weak bearish, or, you know, just like kind of a doji candle again, showing indecision, so it's not nice at all, man. Looks like GBP/USD over here is nice, decent. I want GBP/AUD to start giving me something. Oh look, the 15 minutes closing. So look, had resistance over here. Let's see. So I had resistance. What does resistance act as when we come back down? It acts as support over here. So this is quite a good entry on the 15. Stop loss below. It's 9 pips. To come back to the highs, 22 pips. Close half at 10. That wouldn't be too shabby at all. Gold's still chilling over here. Gold's still chilling. No rush on gold. Later on, I think NY is going to be a good session over here. We know news is coming very, very soon, I think. So yeah, Euro news is coming. Did you take any trades? No. I did not take any trades. I didn't like the price action on GJ. The only time I could have got in was here, and I missed the move. So yeah, no trades taken. Let's look at the 15. Yeah, and especially look at these candles, man. Look, what is that? Like, if people are in these buys now, they're holding on for their fucking balls, right? If it comes down over here, they're goosed. There's no, like, they're just hoping this starts to run off. Hopefully it does, but it's okay. Stop loss matters. GBP/USD over here, nice. I mean, if it does close above over here, it's going to be pretty decent. Look at the hourly as well. 60 minutes time it's closing. That's looking pretty solid. So what time is it right now? Some news coming in 2 minutes time. Have a little faith on GJ, lol. I don't today. Not in this session. No faith. I mean, getting in early here would have been decent, but so let's have a look at Bruno's chart over here. I just sent it in the chat. Sorry I took too long. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We're good over here. Right, wicked. So let's take a look at this chart. So this is gold over here, nice. Okay, so this is the 5 minute chart on gold. I took into consideration that the hourly didn't break previous hourly lows. Okay, I did once price broke its own high. It did close on no wick, so I was cautious. It did close with no wick. Oh yeah, I can see. So it's cautious. Once price came up and closed above the 4 hour flip, that's when I looked into taking buys. When I got stopped at break even. Beautiful. So you got your nice little trade over here. Pretty decent. Yeah, good setup. I can't really see much in the 5 minute because I don't really look on 5. I only look on 5 minutes to take off positions, but looks like it worked pretty nicely for you, which is good. Pretty nice. Oh, we just got a 15 minute closure. Bearish over here. Bearish closure. Doesn't mean it can't still go up. Euro NZD ran pretty nice. Let's take a look at Euro NZD. I know Monty trades that. Let's take a look. What he used to anyway. Euro NZD. Oh wow. Holy smokes. Yeah, that's pretty mad over here. So how to get in? Oh my god, this is just at 8 o'clock. Holy shit. I mean, rejecting them highs again. So, you know, you have a zone. Which is here to here. We closed above. Weak candles. This is like GJ right now. The next one comes, closes back in. The probability we're going to fill this zone up again is going to be pretty good. So top wick 9 pips, come down for a 13 pip gain. Runner can come back down to these zones over here. 34 pips. See, 34 pips. That looks like a huge move, but it's fucking not. And it's half lots as well. Oh, like GJ looks a lot smaller than that, but GJ's ran, yeah, like 30 as well. And this is not half lots. So yeah, I don't know why people trade this. It's just it's a very quiet pair, I'd say. Also, guys, if you guys follow me on Instagram, make sure to tag me in like videos of you like on the live stream and shit. I'll put them on. That does help me out. I like that. It's cool, wicked. I like seeing you guys learning all that stuff. Yeah, but a bit choke session today, guys. I'm actually going to call it an end very, very soon, I think. There's nothing I'm wanting. I'm still bullish for GJ. I'm still happy for the buys. But at the moment, when we're closing and getting bearish structure like this, not the best. 2 pip spread. Oh my god. Well, that's fucking useless then. It makes it even worse. 2 pip spread. That's mad, that. Who the hell trades that shit? Bro, GJ's the place to be, man. You blocked me for no reason on Insta. What? Oh, maybe, I don't know. I do not know. So look, 12 minutes left. I mean, does it have enough time to flip and exceed over here? Probably. But what is the likelihood when we've got a 50-minute closure as well? Ooh, not the best. Not the best at all. So hourly, yeah, coming down over here. Look, got 12 minutes left. If it doesn't close above this zone over here, 270, you can see we really can't, you know, take them buys until we have to wait until we get the closure above again. Look at the 4 hour now. 4 hours coming down. If it doesn't close above this zone over here, we know that this is going to be a sticky situation. So right here and here, not the best. So we're gonna have to wait. NY session is going to be good though, and we'll be pretty fire. Cheers, Max. See you NY. Yeah, see you NY, bro. Shame we couldn't get anything, but it's all good. It's all good. Price action just wasn't there for me. So 11 minutes time. Yeah, it's not giving me any options. The hourly looks pretty decent, but yeah, the hourly looked nice to continue when we're out here, but it looks like now we are really struggling. So let's take a look more at GBPUSD and gold. Yeah, nothing much over here. So I think I'm going to call it a day, guys. Nothing much, but you know, as long as you've managed risk in the trades you were in, and as long as you got into trades and took your 10 pips and came off scot-free for these fleeced buys over here, you obviously did pretty well. So thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, Zoom, as well. We'll see you for NY. And yeah, peace out, guys. Thank you very much. See you later.
Nice one, mate.
Thank you, beta. Let's go over here. Thank you very much. Take it easy, mate. Yeah, see you tomorrow, guys. Let's get some volume tomorrow. Some good volume. Peace out, guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you later.